Good morning, guys. It's Dwayne the Trader. Yeah, make sure I was credited. Good morning, guys. It's Dwayne the Trader, also known as Mr. Risky Wayne. Today is December 8th, 2021. It is a Wednesday. Hump day. Um, yeah, so let's go ahead and go into the video. Today, I want to start off by saying if you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, link is down in the description. Go ahead and find out when I get into trades or the trades that I'm going to be looking at, and you can get into them before I release these videos on YouTube, and you can make money with me and we can make this bag together. You feel me? So let's go ahead and hop into this video. It's gonna be a pretty quick video today, not too long. I sent out a new trade today, last night around 10:28 p.m. Or Central Time. The pair was Aussie New Zealand dollar once again, trying to short. And well, let me show you how it's going. Bam, losing right instantly. I mean, we got in here. Now I want to explain why I did take this trade. We go out to a daily chart. We were, you know, following this trend right here. Let me zoom out. We were following this trend right here, right? We were downtrending, as you can see. You know, we were downtrending recently. And we have touch point. Here's another touch. Here's another touch. So, you know, I marked out this is a high possible area of rejection. Now, the trade's not over yet. The day's not over yet. It's possible that it could pull back and put us back in profit. But as of right now, yeah, it got blown straight through. I mean, it's getting blown straight through. I talk about how this area is a high possible chance of rejection. I have about around maybe like a 50 some stop loss. Not, you know, nothing too major. Nothing too major. Only risking about just a little under 2%, not too much on the account. But like I said, the area just completely just right now just ignored it. If we go down to an hour though, you know, I'm explaining why, you know, I mean 4 hour, why I got in the trade, right? And why I actually kind of took it a little preemptively early, because I had an alert set right here, right? At this level, at the 1.502, 1.0502 level. And we hit it, and I noticed how we was making this, you know, this candle formation. And, you know, that was a bearish candle formation, but I didn't enter. We had pulled up, but then we had came down and closed on another 4 hours. So I was like, oh, okay, you know, I'm gonna enter. As soon as I enter, guys, I'm pretty sure we've all experienced this before. It went straight up, and it's going up, and it's going up. So, you know, sometimes trades like these happen, and, you know, sometimes you just got to learn from these trades, and sometimes trades just don't work out. They don't work out at all, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, this trade was looking super bearish when I originally entered right here. When I originally entered right here, we came all the way down. And I was talking about this last week. We came all the way down, and as soon as I had this level marked off, we just seen a rally. The Aussie pairs have just been rallying and rallying and rallying. So Aussie is very strong right now. Right, I said right now I'm down to $7 on the trade. Nothing too, you know, drastic, but it's okay. It's okay. I have been closed out of the rest of my trades though. I manually closed euro. I manually closed let me see. I manually closed euro GBP. Yeah, I was telling in the group. I was telling them in the group chat, right? I was like, where is it at? Where is it at? Where we manually closed Euro GBP. The setup is no longer valid. The support is too strong, right? I told them this around 8:21 p.m. last night. Told them to manually close the trade because I was like, this support zone right here, we came down 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touches of the support zone, and the area just did not want to break. Sellers could not break through. Buyers seemed very strong. So I did close the trade out. We did close the trade out for a little bit of profit. You know, not too much. I think it was like 70 cents. You know, it's basically break even. Yeah. Basically break even. And as you see the Euro CAD trade, we closed out $32. We manually closed that out too as well. It basically hit my stops. Basically, so we cleared about a 200 pip trade on Euro CAD. Okay, let's look at that right now, just real quick. Yeah, as you see, I got out right here, started breaking these levels. Now, that doesn't mean EuroCAD is still not a valid short. I still am looking to get short in this level. I want to see, some type of pushback down. Maybe around this area, I will look. If he could maybe come back and close, I will look to take a sell trade. Looking for continuous downward pressure in the Canadian dollar. If we could get that. Same with the Euro USD, definitely broke out, popped back up today. Still in this downward trends, but we have broken back up into this trend level. So let me take this off real quick. So like I said, right now there is no really trade setups for the Euro pairs right now. My watch list that I'm looking at, there's nothing really. I was looking at a USD CAD trade, looking for a pullback. I do still waiting for this entry to happen. I do think it's going to happen. So we just gotta be patient and wait. We're not gonna FOMO and try to sell into this. We do have a CAD JPY, which is what, like I said, we're just waiting on some setups to happen. USD CHF, looking to try to, like I say, go long on this pair. But yeah, at the same time, this is a low risk trade. This is, a low probability trade that I'm going to be right on. Just mainly because we're still in this downtrend. All we did was create a double top right here. So just create a double top right here. Nothing too serious. Did create a double top. I want to see really, for me to really be like, okay, I really want to see a break of this level right here. I want to see a break of do something like this, combat, and then follow down. And then I enter a trade to short this with having stops probably around like here. Something like that. So until that happens, I would be a bull, but this level needs to hold right here. This level needs to hold. We need to kind of start forming, an upward trend with that. With that, to continue to see this upward movement. But until that happens, I'm sitting on the sidelines. I said I do have an AUD CAD coming into play, about to take me into this trade actually. Yeah, we're about to get into this trade actually for AUD Swiss franc. I say AUD CAD, AUD Swiss franc back down to the downtrend. So that is a setup that you're about to see that may be getting hit pretty soon. We're around 2 pips away from being entered in that trade. If that happens, that happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then, like I said, we're still looking at USD JPY. Like I said, I'm a bull on the dollar. I did get taken out on this trade yesterday. It did dip lower to around this level, which of course, like I said, it did dip lower and it took me out. So if we could get back around this, somewhere in this range, I will look to go long. But like I said, it's gonna be a pretty short video. Only one trade that I'm in right now, and it is losing. But we might be looking to get in Aussie Swiss franc. But this area, like I said, the Aussie dollar has just been a very strong trade, very strong trend. I guess this week, they dropped some news. I guess their RBA was pretty well and everything for fundamental analysis and everything. So the Aussie pairs are having a lot of strength going in. I don't think it will last too much stronger versus all the other economies, but I've been wrong before. So all we could do is see. But like I said, this is pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, super short. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys realize, I am transparent with my wins and my losses, so I can bring you the best value, the best entertainment, the best education that I can provide. Okay, guys? All right. Dwayne the Trader, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.